In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add video in Odoo website. Adding a video to your Odoo website is a great way to explain your product, show a demo, or share a simple message with visitors. To make this process easy, you will follow a few straightforward actions inside the website editor. First, go to your website. On your screen, you should be viewing the actual website page area, not the backend settings screens. Make sure you are in the correct website section, because the video block needs to be added using the website editor. If you have multiple pages, take a moment now to locate the page where you want the video to appear. This saves time and prevents you from adding the video to the wrong place. Next, click Edit in the top right. This is the button that switches your page into edit mode. When you click Edit, you should see editing tools appear and the page will become ready for changes. This step matters because the video block can only be placed while the page is in edit mode. Look for the top right area of the page to find the Edit option and click it once. Now that you are in edit mode, you will drag the video block from the sidebar onto your page. The sidebar is usually located on the side of your screen and contains different building blocks you can add to your website layout. Find the block labeled Video. Then click and hold it and drag it to the section of the page where you want the video to be displayed. Release it when you see that the block is positioned correctly. This part is important because the location determines where visitors will see the video. Once the video block is on the page, the next step is to paste your video URL into the block settings. Click the video block, and you should see settings or a configuration panel for that block. In that panel, there will be a field where you can enter or paste the video link. Use a URL from a supported source, such as YouTube or Vimeo, and paste the video URL into that field. After pasting, double-check that the link looks correct. This ensures the website will be able to display the intended video. After you have added the correct video URL, click Save. Saving confirms the changes and updates the page so the video will appear for visitors. Depending on your setup, you may see a loading moment or a brief confirmation that the page has been updated. If the editor does not update immediately, give it a moment and then preview the page to verify that the video loads properly. When the page refreshes or when you return to the live view, check that the video appears in the correct location and that it plays as expected. Pay attention to the placement and the size, since the video block may follow the layout rules of your theme. If you need adjustments, you can go back into edit mode again, update the settings, and save once more. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know. By following these steps, you can confidently add a video to any Odoo website page and keep your content engaging for your visitors.